Eastern Visayas region. The Eastern Visayas region in the Philippines is known for its rich cultural heritage influenced by its diverse ethnic groups. Some key aspects of the culture in this region include festival, traditional crafts, cuisine, music and dance, tradition, languages, fun and solidarity, and food. The Eastern Visayas region in the Philippines is known for its diverse geography encompassing a variety of landforms and natural features. Here are some key aspects of the region's geography. The total land area of the Eastern Visayas region is approximately 23,251 square kilometers. The region is composed of three main islands, Leyte, Samar, and Biliran, as well as several smaller islands. Eastern Visayas is characterized by mountainous terrain, hills, valleys, and coastal plains. The region is home to several prominent mountain ranges, including the Central Mountain Range and some active volcanoes such as Mount Volcano and Mount Cabalatian. Eastern Visayas is also known for its numerous rivers, lakes, and waterfalls, including the famous Ulut River in Samar. They, they region, the region has a rugged and diverse coastline with sandy beaches, rocky cliffs, and picturesque coves. Language spoken. The primary spoken language of the Eastern Visayas region in the Philippines is Waray-Waray, commonly known simply as Waray. This language is predominantly spoken in the province of Samar, Northern Samar, Eastern Samar, Leyte, and Biliran. Additionally, Cebuano is also spoken in some parts of Leyte and southern Leyte. The Eastern Visayas region in the Philippines celebrates a variety of festivals throughout the year. Some of the popular festivals in Eastern Visayas include Pintados Kasadyaan Festival in Tacloban City, Leyte. Sangyaw Festival in Tacloban City, Leyte. Lubi-Lubi Festival in Calbayog City, Samar. Palapag Fiesta in Palapag, Northern Samar. Banig Festival in Basay, Samar. Uyugan Festival in Abuyog, Leyte. Easter Samar Festival. Krapayaan Festival Blessed Virgin Mother, a colorful festival depicting how the early Gioan town folks enjoy nature's bounties, rich marine life, fertile land, verdant forests. It's also Thanksgiving to their patroness, the Blessed Virgin Mary, including fiestas. May 1, Saint Francis of Assisi Mercedes. May 15, Saint Isidore the Farmer, Salcedo. June 13, Saint Anthony of Padua, Llorente. July 15, Our Lady of Seven Sorrows, San Julian. July 30 to 31, Saint Ignatius of Loyola, Sulat. August 1 to 2, Our Lady Queen of Angels, Gan Abit. August 27, Saint Joseph, Jane MacArthur. September 8, the Nativity of Our Lady, Borongan. October 7, Our Lady of Holy Rosary. December 8, Our Lady of Immaculate Conception. Tourist spot destination. Amadaraga is the name of Lawaan's waterfalls, which resembles of maiden's hair. Favorites in highland hopping destination are the twin island of Anto and Divinovi in Borongan City. For camping and trekking, explore the Borongan Llorente Close Canopy Forest. Hamonhon Island was where Magellan first set foot in the Philippine soil. Tubabao Island sheltered thousands of Russian refugees in the 1950s. The refugees were survivors of the Bolshevik Russian Revolution and Russian Civil War. Ethnic group Waray. The people of the province Religion: The people of the province of devoted Christians were 96 adhere to Roman Catholicism, the dominant Catholic faith of influence the events of the provincial education, politics, and social function of the people.
Later, festivals. Buyog-buyugan St. Francis Xavier. A buyog or buyog, these dancers depict the origin of the town's name in well-choreographed dance. Pasaka Festival. Our Lady of Consumption, then one day the legend had it that witness the thousand blessed Mother of the Lord. After seeing this great miracle, they rejoiced and celebrated the event with dances. Tourist spots destinations. Battle of Taytay is the largest naval battle of the World War II. It took place from 23 to 26 October 1994 between combined US and Australian forces and the Imperial Japanese Navy. Red Beach in Calooc is a site known more for its history than its shoreline. Allied forces led by General Douglas MacArthur returned here on October 20, 1994 to aid the Philippines against Japanese invasion. Kalangaman Island is the quintessential tropical island where green blue waters and the history of Spanish represent. Quattro islas or four islands are another pretty branch of these islands. Video is a standout palm trees, clear waters, and barely any other tourists inside. Snorkel, sugary waters, to swim among coral and fish. Languages. Waray is generally spoken by the people of Leyte, except those who live in the western side who generally speak Cebuano. Northern Samar. Festivals. Kapugid Festival, a festivity practiced by the people of Batangan since 1982, featuring a reenactment of how the Filipino natives were Christianized by the Spanish conquistadors. It was officially made into a provincial festival in 1982. Fiestas, April 29, St. Vincent Ferrer, San Roque, May 14, St. Isidore the Farmer, Lope de Vega, July 26 to 27, St. Joseph the Worker Catholic, August 14, St. Our Lady of Assumption, Calacao. Tourist spots destinations. Capul Island also has its share of white beaches and snorkeling spots. It gets its name from Acapulco in Mexico, owing to its former time as a guide stop for Galilean sailing train routes between Acapulco and Manila. La Laguna Mangrove Forest and La Berzer Shots, different migratory birds, is best to ride a paddle boat either to get close to the village. Beary Island, that really adds up Northern Summer's slow factor. Forget the food and breeze, but you absolutely shouldn't forget the fact to your camera. Stunning rock formations, monster reefs, boulders and palms, natural park with ocean trees. Languages. The majority of the people in the province of Northern Summer speaks the Northeast Samangin, a variation of Waray. About 4.5% of the population, especially in the island towns, speak Cebuano while the majority speaks Tagalog. Religion. The communities of provinces are predominantly Catholic, 95%. Other religions group are members of Church of God, International, Iglesia ni Cristo, Seventh-day Adventist, and Jehovah's Witnesses. Summer festivals. Bawal Pamboy Festival, Our Lady of Annunciation, is a ritual and has become part of Christian tradition on the land of Mount Christmas. It is held every May 25 to 14 December. In the town of Cavite showcase giant Bawal or scale drums made of indigenous materials, dancing in the streets to the sound of musical instruments made up of bamboos, fans, and score water that are penetrable between rocks up and downstream the other river. Bangon Bukongkong has escaped elegantly into a large circular pool where the climb a kawak flood lets you zoom down a multi-passageway into the waters below. Languages. The resident of Samar are Musuwarai, the sixth largest cultural linguistic group in the country. There are two groups of Warai spoken in the province. Warai Limited Samarna, which is spoken from the southern north and the Warai to water. As intermediary between the Warai of Northern Samar and the Warai of Samar. Spoken in Calvario City, Santa Margarita, and in some parts of Cagapulan and Santo Niño. Religion. Samar is predominantly Roman